We've been fighting a long time. So many of us are gone, but there's still hope. The T800 model is a primitive design. A straw to the knife. A straw to the back of its motor cortex will disable its targeting device, but not for long. Most of all, stay alive. You have no idea how important you are to Christmas. Santa Claus wants his cookies. This is Atticus. And if you're hearing this, I am bored. What up? Dun dun dun. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. So yeah, it's cold as balls. But I'm at this really cool spot here. So this place is it's called a Pal Café. So yeah, 1974. It actually has some really cool stuff inside. It has some military stuff, which I will show you. So yeah, let me show this stuff off if I can. It's check this out. You got, it's like an old school kind of. Yeah, so you got the old school sewing machine. And this is my favorite part. So the NVA, North Vietnamese Army helmet, rough pack, either ammo conservative pack, some of the flip-flops, handles. I love that vest right there. And these right here. I mean, you could use these for a variety of things, I imagine. Maybe with some kind of rocket holder, different kinds of gear, food, cans. You got a different kind of canteen, and yeah, some really cool stuff. So, and he's got some cool, things here. I don't know if I'm allowed to touch, but I better be respectful. But yeah, this is one of my favorite spots to go to, just because that gear, even though I doubt it's from at least the canteen might be, but those sandals and a few of the things might be from certain parts of history. And this right here, this sewing machine. So yeah, that's an old school sewing machine. Down on the bottom, you would use your feet to spin it. So yeah, just living history, Kind of cool to see stuff like that. So anyways, let me show you guys the tree. This is the tree. So check this out. Get yourself a little snow. That is a nice tree. And look on the back. Now that is the colors. That helmet right there is the colors. So yeah. Strangely enough, you will still see a lot of guys who will wear those around town. Even like civilians will be wearing those and things. My motorcycle, of course, looking good. Parked right in front. VIP parking. Say what's up. Say what's up. It is cold. It's almost Christmas. So in this video, this will probably be my last one. I'm going to do something very special for Christmas. There's been a lot of negativity, a lot of people trying to keep me down, or maybe I'm just trying to keep myself down. It's hard to tell anymore. But for Christmas, I'm gonna go on a trip, and I'm gonna see somebody very special. And for a couple days, nothing is gonna matter. Not stress of this place here, not the stress of jobs, not the stress of money, not the stress of missing friends, family, birthdays, doesn't matter. Nothing matters. I'm just gonna be in the moment. This will be my 3rd Christmas in Vietnam, so yeah, it's important not to take it for granted, because you never know when it's gonna be your last. You never know. You can't stay forever. I like these different kind of lights here. It gives a very kind of cool glow. A lot of people will sit out here and eat these little sunflower seeds and stuff, but yeah, sit on carpet here. Oh, don't fall off helmet. But anyways, yeah, this Christmas, going on a trip. We're gonna heal here. We're gonna heal it here. So, anybody who's watching, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, all the way from the other side of the world. I want to say special love to my family, to my friends, to the YouTube subscribers, and let's hope that 2024 is a better year than what the end of 2023 turned out to be. Because this end of this year has been very bad. It's very bad. It's been very challenging. But I'm still here. It hasn't broke me. Nothing ever will. What I am constantly reminded is humility. Be humble. Despite a lot of different ways that I could probably make myself feel better, stay quiet and just be humble. Wise men listen. Fools talk. Cowards stay silent. But wise men listen. So just listen and learn. So that's what I'm trying to do. With that being said, I'll keep this short. Did you ever think you'd see a video of me sitting in Vietnam saying, "Hey, Merry Christmas from Vietnam"? But yeah, that's what I'm doing. So, shout out to my friends that talked nerd to me to the show. Shout out to my friend Ben. He hopefully will come out here to Vietnam someday and experience this magical place. Shout out to to Gore. I hope you and your family have a beautiful Christmas. And of course, shout out to everybody and everyone along the journey of my life who's helped me get to where I'm at. Thank you. Bye-bye. Let's get to riding in this cold weather.